Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Davinci robot. First, ensure the patient is correctly positioned on the operating table. Next, carefully dock the Davinci patient cart, aligning its 4 robotic arms with the surgical ports. The surgeon then takes their place at the console, gaining control over the instruments. This initial setup is fundamental for a smooth and effective robotic-assisted surgery, laying the groundwork for precision and safety throughout the procedure. The Davinci system employs specialized endo-wrist instruments, providing an impressive 7 degrees of freedom, mimicking the human wrist's dexterity. This allows for incredibly precise movements within the patient. Simultaneously, a high-definition, 3-dimensional vision system delivers a magnified, immersive view of the surgical site directly to the surgeon's console. The surgical team at the patient-side cart manages instrument exchanges, ensuring a seamless flow during the operation. From the surgeon console, you'll use master controllers to precisely manipulate the robotic instruments. These controllers translate your hand and wrist movements into smaller, more refined actions inside the patient. Foot pedals are essential for controlling various functions, including camera movement, activating energy devices, and clutching instruments to reposition them. This intuitive interface allows for unparalleled control and dexterity, enhancing surgical performance significantly. The Davinci robot offers advanced features like firefly fluorescence imaging, which provides enhanced visualization of blood flow and critical anatomy. Integrated energy devices allow for efficient cutting, coagulation, and sealing of tissue, streamlining complex procedures. Crucially, the system incorporates numerous safety checks and alarms, continuously monitoring its operation to ensure patient well-being. These features collectively contribute to safer, more effective surgical outcomes for patients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.